took 3 pieces of craft paper and glued them together, and then I measured out 2-inch increments all the way down the graph paper, or the craft paper, and then I drew the lines down the craft paper horizontally, and then you can see that I'm folding it on the horizontal line, and you do have to create like an X in between the points on the rectangle, and then you can fold it the way that I'm folding it here into kind of triangles. Once you start folding the triangles, you're going to fold one way and one the other way. And when you start bending them, you're going to be bending them. Some get bent backwards and some get bent forwards. You can kind of see it the way that I'm doing it here. I will include a diagram or a link to a diagram of how I did this as well in the description. So when you get your shape like this, I cut off the triangle that was here. So this side still has it, but it will be easier for you to glue it because you'll be gluing it like this. So it'll be a little bit easier for you to glue it when it's cut off. So it'll glue like that. Actually, I might cut off this triangle too, so it's like, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna cut off this one too, so it's the same, or it's a different, so the pattern continues on, if that makes sense. So I'll cut that off too. Now, we have to take yarn and cut holes all the way through the top here to kind of hold it together. Not really sure how I'm gonna do that. Maybe by, I don't know if this will burn through it or not. Doesn't seem to be hot enough. So what I might do is I'm just take the scissors, and you're gonna wanna put it through the inside triangles here, all the way around. So let's do that. So we got from the dollar store these battery powered light bulbs. Flick of the switch, turn on, turn off. You can do this through with, you could put a corded light bulb through the top, and it could be like a plug-in light, but we don't have a space to plug it in. So I just put the jute cord after I tied off the string on the top. I might still glue this on the top just to make it look a little bit nicer. I'm not sure, but I put the jute cord through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this jute cord to this light bulb here so that it will hold in the center of the light. I'm just waiting for my glue here to warm up. And we'll go all the way around, take our cord, it will go all the way around. This light bulb stuck on there, and I'll pull it through. But the thing is, I don't want the light bulb to come out the top, so that's why I think I might glue this closed, because I don't know that this rope is going to be enough to hold it closed. But basically your light will hang kind of like this. Maybe I will, I don't know. Oh, it might sit in there okay. And then your light turn on like that. So this is the light fixture, and I'm just going to hang it with a push pin in our ceiling because we do live in a rental. Basically, I'm just gonna stand up here, figure out how high I want it.